In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop downloads from automatically opening in Google Chrome on Windows. Auto-opening downloads can be convenient, but there are times when you might want to have more control over your files. Maybe you'd like to review them before opening, or you simply prefer a cleaner desktop. Whatever the reason, being able to manage your downloads is a handy skill to have. Let's start with the process. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome. Navigate your cursor to the top right corner of the browser window, where you'll see a symbol that looks like three vertical dots. This is known as the three-dot menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to a whole host of settings and tools. Next, from the options provided in the drop-down menu, you'll choose Settings. This option takes you to the Chrome settings page, which is packed with different customization options for your browsing experience. When you're on the settings screen, look for the section called Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome interacts with websites, your data, and the security measures in place. Clicking there will open more options directly related to your privacy settings and security measures. Once you've clicked into Privacy and Security, you'll want to click on the Site Settings option. This is where you can adjust what websites are allowed to do when you visit them, like sending notifications, accessing your location, or in our case, handling downloads. Now, on the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find the Additional Permissions section. This might require a little scrolling, but it's tucked in amongst the many settings you can customize. Click on this to proceed further. Within Additional Permissions, you will encounter an option labeled Automatic Downloads. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you can specify how you want Chrome to handle downloads moving forward. Finally, in the Automatic Downloads section, you'll see an option that says Sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. Ensure this option is turned on. By selecting this, you'll be allowing sites to ask before they automatically download multiple files, giving you the power to control and confirm each download. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured Google Chrome to stop downloads from opening automatically. Remember, adjusting these settings can lead to a more organized and efficient workflow on your computer. Practice these steps a few times if necessary to become comfortable with navigating Chrome settings. We hope this guide helps you take control of your downloads and enhances your browsing experience.